Good afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and here with us today is a 2018 Audi A6 Premium Plus. And this is finished in Glacier white metallic. Power is supplied by a supercharged 3-liter V6 engine with an 8-speed automatic gearbox. It's equipped with the 19-inch sport package, so 19-inch wheels, sport suspension, we'll start up here at the driver front wheel. Pretty good shape, a little bit of rash there on the edge of the lip, and a little bit damage there on the spoke. This is equipped with the driver assistance package, so you've got the Audi presense, the side assist, as well as the active cruise control. Back here at the driver rear wheel, great shape, no curb rash. Spoke too soon. A little spot there on the edge of the wheel, and that's about it. On the rear bumper, just below the parking sensor, there's a little spot there. Another spot there. Going to be back here at the passenger rear wheel. This one's got a little bit of curb rash along the lip, a few little spots, and a little gouge there on the edge. No damage to the tire or anything like that. There's a small spot there on the side skirt. And finally up here at the passenger front, this one has probably the most damage as far as curb rash goes. Strictly cosmetic, no functional damage there. To the interior, we have a black leather interior. This is equipped with the cold weather package, so you do have the heated rear outboard seats. Audi all-weather floor mats. Got the Bose premium audio. Driver memory settings and power driver seat with lumbar support. Power heated and folding exterior mirrors. Audi MMI navigation. Dual zone climate control, and 3-stage heated front seats, keyless entry and keyless start, heated multifunction steering wheel, and current mileage 34503. Folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, please give us a call, 614-793-1050. I'll have a bunch of photos uploaded to our website where you can check more of this car out at autoassets.com.